The Alchemist. Autor Paulo Coelho. Published 1988. Original Portuguese. English in 1993. Country, Brazil. Genre, adventure, philosophy, inspirational. Summary, a shepherd follows his dream to find treasure and discovers his true self. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. The Alchemist is an inspiring and thought-provoking story about Santiago, a young shepherd who dreams of finding treasure near the Egyptian pyramids. Guided by signs, omens, and wise people he meets along the way, Santiago sets out on a long journey that teaches him much more than he expected. He learns that when you truly desire something, the whole universe helps you achieve it. The story beautifully shows how courage, faith, and following one's dreams can lead to self-discovery. Paulo Coelho's writing is simple yet deeply meaningful. Every page of this book carries a life lesson about listening to your heart and believing in your destiny. The novel encourages readers to chase their dreams no matter how difficult the path may seem. The Alchemist is not just a story about finding treasure, it's a journey of finding purpose and understanding the meaning of life. It leaves you feeling hopeful, motivated, and ready to follow your own personal legend.